Hey guys, today I'm going to be fixing my gas furnace. I got a leaky valve and I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to replace it. Okay, first things first, I like to take a picture before I get started, just so I make sure I put things back in the right order. You've got your pipe coming in. Make sure the gas is off, please. Once you got that pipe off, then you cut these zip ties. Here, pull wires off to your sensors here. That's it. Comes right out. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to unscrew the valve, or unscrew the pipe from the valve, both pipes. And the way I'm going to do this is without a bench vise today. I'm going to be doing this right on the bench. So I'm putting a bar in the pipe here to give me some leverage, and then this part of the valve here is an 1.25 inches. So I happen to have an 1.25 inch wrench. You can use a crescent wrench or anything that you've got that can get on that. And the bar here will act as leverage, and then I'll just kind of put some weight on it and get the thing to turn. There we go. They can be on here pretty tight, so expect a little bit of a fight. Hopefully this will turn for me. So, let's see, where did I get this from? Amazon purchase. This is a manifold gas valve. So, on the data tag on the old one, you'll notice it says White Rodgers model 36J24-005. You can also cross-reference this. There's a train number that is used also. So, you can cross-reference it to that here, train D67453-9PO1, and then Amazon will do the work for you, find you the right valve. And here's my identical replacement, White Rodgers 36J24-205. All the hookups are identical, all the pipe fittings are identical. All I need to do is screw everything on. Easy peasy. And how I'm going to do that is with some pipe sealant. This is Vanguard sealant, yellow pipe gas line tape. You can also use what people call pipe dope, which is like a, you can spread it on like paint almost. But this works well too. Apply it to the thread, kind of tight. All right. So you'll notice the burner tubes all sag down once this was pulled out of here. Make sure you guys put these up over the individual burner nozzles before tightening this down. Okay, once everything's on, tight, secure, double check your wiring that you pulled off. Make sure that it matches how you pulled it off according to the image you took. Then at this point, when you're ready, you turn the valve back on, and then we're gonna wait and listen for, or see if we can smell any fuel, and then we'll use our little checker to give it a good, I don't know, 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. And then when you're ready, we can test it. In order to test it, without having to put all the panels back on, you get a safety switch right here. When you put your panel on, it activates the power board, which gives power to your thermostat. To bypass putting the panel on, you just put a piece of tape on it like this. And you get a little red blinky light. And if your thermostat is set high enough, it'll automatically kick on the burner. Alright, so I went upstairs, turned my thermostat up just so I can give it a test, and all the burners are burning. Everything seems to be working fine, and now I can close this all up, and that's going to be it. Alright guys, that's going to do it today. Thanks for watching me replace my gas valve on my American Standard home furnace here. If you guys like what I do on this channel, please consider subscribing, and every once in a while maybe hit that like button for me, alright? We'll see you all in the next one.